There is a difficulty in creating marketing mission statements and marketing headlines, and we're going to discuss some of those issues now. So why is this a difficult process? Why is it that we struggle to write good copy, good marketing headlines? Well, number one, we tend to look at the world from our perspective. So we don't really focus on the client needs, and we don't really focus on what they need. We tend to focus on what we need. So we tend to need sales. So we'll drive that, we'll push that. We need sales. So, and especially if you're a growing company and you're just trying to break into that profit zone, or you're a new company, we tend to forget what it looks like outside looking in, and we're just looking from the inside out. We tend to offer services because of that rather than solutions. So we put our services up front. We do this, we do that. A classic example of this was, I was talking to a business, and they supply broadband installation for businesses. And then when you look at what they actually communicate to their clients, it's a list of services in a language that people don't understand, they don't know they need. So what we need to do is we need to offer solutions to clients' problems. And if we can put that into a marketing mission statement, then the level of engagement we're going to receive is going to rise from our potential client base. And we have to learn to think differently. We tend to think, like I said earlier, from the inside out. So we tend to think of our needs and what we need. And we're trying to push that all the time, that agenda. And we have to focus on what the client is trying to buy, not what we are trying to sell. And this is really the essence of everything in this course, is focus on what the client is trying to buy, not on what we're trying to sell. Because they're two different things, and we'll explain that as we go through. But if you offer what the client is trying to buy, then you'll get the sale. But if you're trying to sell something they don't know they need, they won't buy. So we have to divorce ourselves from our needs, and we have to focus on theirs. We have to forget about our top line. We have to forget about our sales figures. We have to forget about all those things, maybe cash flow pressures, all of those things. We have to forget about those. And we have to completely and utterly focus on their needs before we even begin to think about writing a marketing mission statement or a marketing headline.